So I weighed in this morning at 301 pounds. Not my highest weight, but not my lowest either. I struggled with weight for a big portion of my life. I started noticing I was putting on weight around 4th or 5th grade. Coincidentally, that's when other people around me started noticing it too, and I started getting teased and bullied in school for my weight. I continued to get bigger as I went into junior high. However, in junior high, I did find football, which was a way I could use my weight to my advantage and get active at the same time. And I also discovered weightlifting, which continues to be my favorite form of exercise. I remember when I got my driver's license at 16 years old, I was 240 pounds, and my weight only went up from there. After high school, my weight continued to go up, and I was starting to approach around the 300-pound mark at that time. However, at 20 years old, I met the love of my life. While we were dating, I tried several different methods to lose weight. Some of them were successful, some of them weren't. None of them lasted. When we got married in 2004, I was able to lose quite a bit of weight using the Atkins diet. After the wedding, I started putting weight back on again. And then in 2007, my son was born. 2010, my daughter was born. Somewhere between that range and 2015, other than losing my hair, I also got up to my highest weight, which was around 340 to 350 pounds. In 2015 is when I got really serious about losing weight and had my first really successful period of weight loss. So in January of 2015, I was around 340 to 350 pounds. I started an extreme calorie counting diet, staying around 1,200 calories a day. And for 9 months, I was able to get down to 270 pounds. Then we moved to a different state for my work, and through all the chaos and everything that happened, I ended up putting the weight back on. In January 2017, I was back up to around 324 pounds, and that was when I started keto for the first time and was able to stick with it for a couple of years and make some really good progress. So from January 2017 until March of 2019. And in March of 2019, I was at my lowest weight that I've ever been in my adult life, which was under 230 pounds. And then in May of 2019, we moved again. And again, life got a little bit crazy. I started getting more off track than on track, and my weight started to climb. However, I will say at this point, it was more gradual of a weight gain than it had ever been before. But then in August of 2021, I suffered an accident where I had severe burns to my left arm, my face, and my head. And at that point in time, I got really sedentary and sitting around a whole lot because I had to stay out of the sun. For pretty much an entire year, I had to limit my sun exposure, so I used that as an opportunity to get a little lazy. So today is day number 1 again, starting over again. I'll be going back to keto because that worked really well for me, and I was able to stick with it for a couple years there from 2017 to 2019. Breaking my goals down to weekly and daily goals. So my weekly goal will be to lift weights 3 to 5 times per week, depending on the type of weightlifting routine that I'm doing at that time, which I plan to share more information about the types of weightlifting programs that I'm doing in future videos. I will also try to get some form of cardio every single day. My daily goal will be to get 10,000 steps every day, to eat under 20 net carbs per day, and to stay under 1,500 calories per day. Except for Saturday, which I will probably consume more calories that day, but still maintain the under 20 net carbs per day. I will also share how I track my calories, how I track my macronutrients, the easiest ways we found to do it in a future video, as well as sharing some very helpful resources if you are interested in trying keto. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification icon so you can be alerted to future videos. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, as I'll be posting a lot of stuff throughout the week on how things are going, what's working, what's not, if I failed, which is sure to happen at some point in time. Come on, this could be a train wreck. You don't want to miss it.